This is installation for the CANserver. The CANserver supplies data to the microdisplay. It includes a harness needed to plug into the CAN bus of the car. To install the chassis bus version, first raise the seat as high as it can go, and then look under the front, and you'll see a module with a yellow connector right here. So that yellow connector is the one we want to pull out. So you can kind of feel around for it, and you just need to push the tab and push the plug towards the back of the car. It should slide right out. This is the plug we're tapping into. So take the CANserver and plug the included harness into that module, and it should slide right in if you can align it right, and click into place. Then take the car's harness and plug it into the socket on the server. I'll just show that to you again. Pull it out, push it in until it clicks. Hopefully you'll see some lights come on through the edge of the case. If not, just remember there's a power switch on the side to turn on. Now secure the server in a better place than I did by either double stick tape or zip ties. Just make sure that the seat can move up and down, back and forth, and it doesn't interfere. If you have the OBD version of the CANserver, you'll need a third-party OBD adapter harness, which plugs into the connector that's in the back of the center console. The harness just plugs through and supplies an OBD connector. So the CANserver has an OBD harness that will plug into that third-party harness, and simply push it in, and hopefully you see lights. If not, check the power switch. Now you can stow the server between the seats or underneath, however you'd like. Just to take a closer look, the server comes with either a chassis or OBD harness. The chassis harness there has that custom 4-pin plug and socket, and would not be included if you only ordered the OBD version. If you ordered both, you might want to swap them though, so you may need to unscrew the 4 screws of the case, otherwise pull it off, and take a peek inside. You can see the ESP32 module, which is replaceable in case it does fry, but the harnesses just need to be swapped to plug into the other bus. So you can just yank the connector right out of there and plug in the other harness if you want to switch. The yellow socket would not be used in OBD configuration. This is also a great time to install a micro SD card for logging. So check out the CANserver website for more information, and let me know if you have any questions.